Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Millie Made It. Today I'll be making one of my favorite recipes, shrimp fried rice. And I'm just gonna start here by unthawing some small shrimps and taking off the tails. And you're gonna need a large dry pan, and we're just gonna add some white rice right to the center of it. And we're gonna let that crisp up a bit before adding in our vegetable oil. And I didn't do any measurements for this, but I would say about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're just gonna let that crisp up. We want it to be nice and golden brown. We're basically just gonna turn this white rice into brown rice. You'll see me here just mixing it in, and you're gonna want to check this regularly. We don't want the rice to burn because we're gonna be using a medium-high heat. So you have to stir this really often. You cannot leave the pan because there's been a few times where I've been cooking this and I go sit down for 2 minutes and next thing you know the fire alarm's going off. So be careful with that. Just as long as you don't leave the pan, you can just put it on medium-high heat, and this recipe cooks up in about 20 minutes. So you see me here browning the rice, and this took about 5 minutes to get to this point. Now I'm just adding in the water. The ratio is about 1 cup of rice to every 2 cups of water. So if you're using a half a cup of rice, you can just use 1 cup of water, and so on and so forth. Now the water's coming to a boil. And after the water's kind of evaporated out of the pot, we're just gonna add our mixed veggie blend. This one has carrots, peas, string beans, and corn. Now in another skillet, we're just gonna be putting in about 3 tablespoons of butter, letting that melt down, and adding in our shrimps after we've taken off the tails and unthawed them. Now our shrimps have cooked up a bit, so we're gonna season it with some garlic powder. Anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna season it with some garlic powder and some parsley flakes. Mix that around. And at this point we can lower our heat, add our seasonings to our rice and veggies. And these are just the seasonings that I put in the beginning of the video. We're adding our soy sauce in for color and seasoning. Because we're not adding any salt to this, the soy sauce serves as our browning sauce and our sodium for this meal. Now I'm just mixing in all of the seasonings and the soy sauce, adding in our cooked shrimp, mixing that all in together, and voila! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below if you try this quick and simple shrimp fried rice recipe. Please subscribe to my channel where I'll be posting daily pescatarian, vegetarian, and vegan-friendly meals, and follow me on Instagram at MillieMadeItTV for instant updates. Join me in my next video for breakfast where I'll be showing you how I make my amazing French toast. See you next time.